Hi Captain, welcome aboard. In this tutorial we will show you how to create your account and profile. Let us start by the installation of the application. Open the App Store or Play Store and search for the Sense4 Boat application. Please download, install and open the application. Our terms and conditions should appear on the screen. Please read them carefully. When ready, tap the Accept button. The login screen will appear, but since we do not have an account yet, we have to press Create New Account button. Excellent, now please enter the email and password which you will use in the mobile application and press the Create Account button. The account is now created, but we need to verify your email first. We sent you an email with the verification link. Please open your email application and click on the verification link in the email body. If you didn't receive any email, check your spam folder. Now we are ready to log in for the first time. Enter your password which you used before and press Login button. Well done, now we are logged in. Let us now set up your boat profile. Please enter all required information about your emergency contacts, boat details and berth in the marina or harbor. Make sure that all fields are entered correctly because we will use this data to send you alerts and notifications. If required, you can change this data anytime. When done, press the Save Changes button. Congratulations, Captain. We are all set. Now you are ready to add some sensors.